Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about the importance of regularly updating and patching software on machines for sustainable IT. First, let's check the importance of software updates on laptops or desktops or servers. Regularly updating and patching software is crucial for optimal performance and security in an IT environment. It helps to protect against vulnerabilities and exploits. So it is very important to keep your devices up to date. It could be laptop or desktop or server or iPhone or iPad, or it could be any device. Whenever you have a firmware update or software update, you need to install it, you need to update it as soon as possible, because if you're running on older version, it can take a lot of memory or CPU, or it can run very slow as well, and it can take a lot of energy. So to run your devices or machines in a sustainable manner, you should always keep your software up to date. Now let's check some best practices for software patching. Create a patch management plan. Develop a comprehensive plan that outlines the process and schedule for software patching. Identify critical system and prioritize patching based on risk and impact. So if you have business critical applications running on some servers, those are very important servers. So you need to create a patch management plan, and you need to update those machines. Quickly. Test patches before deployment. So this is also a very important step that you need to take before installing the software or the patches on the production servers. It is really important to install the software updates in the test environment or in a integration environment. If you can push this software or updates on the test servers first, and if you notice that the machines are still running fine without any issues after the software updates on these test servers, then you can push the same updates on the production servers. Keep track of patching progress. Use a centralized system to track and manage the status of software patches. Regularly update the patching progress and ensure all systems are up to date. So you can use some tools like SCCM, Microsoft SCCM, to push all the patches on your servers, and you can keep track of all the patching progress using these tools. Regularly update and patch. Stay informed about the latest software vulnerabilities and patches. Implement a process for regularly updating and patching software to address security vulnerabilities and improve system stability. So, if you want to run your business in a sustainable manner without having any issues, you need to make sure that all these machines are up to date with the latest software or patches. And it is also really helpful if there is any kind of vulnerability on these softwares. It can affect your business because anybody can get into your systems and they can use your information. So in order to prevent unauthorized access, in order to prevent your applications or servers or systems from getting hacked, you need to update the software all the time. So these are some best practices for software patching. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.